welfare of youth in the country is one of government's priorities.
And one of its main focus is to see young people treated fairly regardless of ethnicity,
social background,
status in the community,
culture or religious beliefs.
So this week on Nation's Business, we will bring you successful stories of youth from around the country. These youths were part of the Ministry of Youth and Sports Mobile and Specific Skills Empowerment and Capacity Building Training Programs. In the Western Division, Salam Das is now a barber at the iTrade Barbershop in Lautoka after attending a training on men's barbering and entrepreneurship.
And it was really progressive and really nice workshop, as like a lot of people there, they got to learn new stuff. The government also provides the kits as well, grooming kits, so it's really gonna help them in order to gain some money for them and the whole family, and they can grow their business.
Another recipient in the Western Division, Josefa Ndrauninu, is grateful to the Ministry of Youth and Sports for opening doors for him straight after leaving high school. Josefa was part of the group trained at the Essence of Fiji Rejuvenation Center on massage and beauty therapy and spa training.
I would like to say a big Vinakavakalevu to Ministry of Youth and Sports, for without them I wouldn't be getting this privilege to work under Seneca Spa of Fiji as a masseur therapist. I was currently a student at St. Thomas High School when Ministry of Sports and Youth popped up into our Facebook pages about a short course of spa therapy for 2 weeks. And I am one of the fortunate to be attending this course as they secure our jobs, and I'm one of the lucky ones who are fortunate enough to work under Seneca Spa, Fiji. And now I have worked for 6 months, and yesterday I just currently received my permanent contract as a permanent worker with a rate of $4.50.
The ministry also supports youth groups and individuals through grants. These grants have enabled them to start businesses in their respective communities.
We've been assisted by Youth Ministry by a grant. We started with very small, and then after got assisted, we brought on more materials. We were assisted with a lot of new tires. So from there I had generated income, then I moved to another business. I had this training done, this business training done, and then later then I got so many ideas from there and started thinking of new ideas that I can create. Basically, we're operating a printing business here, and auto accessories, tire center, and we have a rental business as well in the same roof. As we started with the tire business, there's a lot of other business opening the similar business. So we had to think of an idea that Navua does not have it. So Navua basically is a very small place, rural area. So we thought of something that can help the community here as well.
Former bean cart operator in Navua, Pranil Singh, unexpectedly became the sole breadwinner for his family after his father suffered a stroke. After successfully applying for a youth grant, Pranil now operates a small business from his home.
गाड़ी से पहले तो हम आस्ते आस्ते काम कर करके तबेला बनाया है, कंट्रोलर से एडजस्ट करके। फिर गवर्नमेंट से असिस्टेंट मिला, यूथ स्पोर्ट से। फिर आस्ते आस्ते अपनी हम कंपनी से बात कर करके बनाया, चीज़ लिया आस्ते आस्ते। फिर वहाँ आस्ते आस्ते फिर हम रोल कर करके आज हम इतना बना लिया है। मादा हेल्प करे साथ ही वही देखभाल करे, हम तो काम करता है।
Along the Queens Highway, Matteo Mbalemoto runs a small canteen in the village of Lombao. Despite being disabled, Matteo is using his innovative skills to generate income for his family.
Babin binakatak nga nanuluto kay Yomay yun ni kuwa dore da kaya baka dore da sa sibiatal ni yaya ko to ko tamay sa may sibiatal ko sa may video bakasyon ko so niyaya to ko tamay sa libutal ko sa may bulta kasyon ko sa sibiatal sa tumbucho ko awe babin yung nakatakaber ito yung may tinguta karawa ng bulan ramdawa kaya niyo ko sa may kilasyo kinakanabinaka sa may butunyaw chuki na nanong bula bata kaya ng bulan matubal nakintin buli taltungan yung bulan matubal na sinibali besar nunggu pangatakal ng laman matubal lihat nga nunggu sa roll tayo ko ito nga ba kayo ko na roll ito nga na business au bebak salta kila nga ako ito ko nang anda na kambret sila tambangwan men tatuta kenta talatan ng buwa men ta banggaraya ni naka itu ye men kenda nga men ta tosean men ta tak men ta berarti na banggara na puno ay chukina na beka ni bebak tak.
Also disabled, Bimlesh Deo Sharma also runs a successful business in Navua. Today, his brother Rakesh Deo Sharma will help speak for him.
And he was assisted by Minister for Youth and Sports. The minister in charge of in Rakiraki is Mr. Tavita, who helped him a lot. And he filled all those forms which was regarding to the assistance of Mr. Bimlesh, and he helped him a lot, and after that he received the Ministry of Youth and Sports give him the fund which was funded by Ministry for Youth and Sports, was funded the growth raw material 8 kg and the pounded one was 4 kg plus some the small bags which we fill in the grog and sell it in the market.
Don't go away. After the break, Nations Business brings you more. In this segment, we visit the Senirongo Youth Club. The group made news when they showcased their skills at the Dole Suva Forestry Park during the Duke and Duchess of Sussex visit last year.
Nakana wibuke nga ngol mai kituna tabongon ni ko nga urna tu ya ni dada ka meuka na tisili chinso sotal na yaya kwar chutale abana min itu ben singran ta sen misin tu ka bucin mi tu serve ta gina so na itu yaya kwar sala ko na itu market liptuna buno gitu ngol chukin so tu ngol bangon chubo handicraft so tu ngol sar chubango bijeks so tu ngol sar chubango vita pusuna so maran do ngol chunga me ketu ram taro otta sar chubo ketu tu sanga me ka sar chuna otta na ka chu tu ta ka na tu da io labetu na sa na tu da tene botol teng na tu da me na tu da chunga bukan na tu da chunga ka na tu da chunga ya da chunga linga me kan na da dengan mesin wa ya sa tol sa na kena da ni tu tol ni tu da sim kane ki nango na tu da chunga botol ta ni tu da ni turun tam chunga be una so ke tu lau chunga.
Also assisted is Lautoka woodcarver Makutu Lutumbula.
Dengan bisnis dengan handcraft na studio na wall hanging. So tanakan matanggalin na wall clock tun face bediki. Tingbo nga may nabukas. Na dito source of income sa ba. Red na labor tikila sa ano mameo to betul maluan ni kon nang gaya ki saran ni pastel cuma sana kila ba malu tak cik mana tos cuma sanggi yang pakai rosa uci Aku mikir tanah bibu kini mati itu tanah Misrofi. So na yaya kami pa totol takat bali na takat. Yun na kina makita ki in politik wabuk nga pirang naliliwan wa. So na outlet ni na handicraft. Sorang dua tanga mai rare rawat mai. Sambil cukup malu na social media. Na kina makita tos. Labet ka bilay. Biar mantan bubi buk main apa antara tu kena manpower. Mesin bubi buk value. Ni orang go ni manpower sambo batal tengah. Ini ada macam ni mesin ni. Soal nak air ni pakai tortal. Karena wasalah ngawi silia. Kami bikin tanah tambungan ni bici. Kami sini tinggal nonton bola. Ya kan di posota. Soalnya na ramai ni na tutup kan na lila ya. Sandali baksa tak satu kan kau nalibul ras yang bata pun nabi nambah ke minggu. Nalirawat kinto nak kau tuli baka pun nana nonton tahu. Taman sini minta tosar kina. Itu nak kami nana nunti baik kina bisnis. Soalnya nandal ni tahu metu kan dali posota. Kan di nanda posota ti kunyata kan tono kono sanaran nili jadi binak. Balik na bahasa lati kami minta posota. Kata-kata bakuku.
From here, we take you to the Northern Division. At Nasarwanga in Boa, agriculture production is one of the main sources of income for the people in this community. It is also home to the Valivawere Youth Club.
We received the assistance from the Ministry of Youth, Lambasa. They come and assist us to make the club so that they can help us. So we form a group. They gave us all the seedlings, the wheelbarrow, fence, goat fence, greenhouse, all types of seedlings. They gave about 12-15 packets of all different kinds of vegetables. So we planted it, and all this is now the produce. I thank the Ministry of Youth and Sports for helping us and moving us forward. My advice to other youth club members to work hard and focus on whatever you're doing so that you can get more money and more money, improve your standard of living through the farming.
In this segment, we visit the Senirongo Youth Club. The group made news when they showcased their skills at the Dole Suva Forestry Park during the Duke and Duchess of Sussex visit last year.
Nakana wibuke nga ngol mai kituna tabongon ni ko nga urna tu ya ni dada ka meuka na tisili chinso sotana ya kwar chutale bwana mimi tu ben singrenta sin misin tu ka buchin mi tu serve tagi na sona ni tu ya kwar sala ko ni tu market lipchuna buno gitu ngol chikin so tu ngol bangon subo handicraft so tu ngol sar chubango vinjex so tu ngol sar chubango vitapus na so maran do ngol chunga me ketu ram taro ota sar chubu ketu tu sanga me ka sar chuna ota na ka chu tu ta ka tu da io labet na sa ni tu da dam tene na botol tek na ni tu da da me na ni tu da da chunga bukan na ni tu da chunga ka na ni tu da chunga ka da da chunga linga mi kan na da da ni machine wa sa tol sa na na da ni tu tol ni tu da da sim kan ni nang on ni tu da da chunga botol ta ni tu da da ni turun tam chunga be na so ga tu lo chunga.
Also assisted is Lautoka woodcarver Makutu Lutumbula.
Dengan dalam bisnis dengan handicraft, na studio, na wall hanging, so talagang matanggalin na wall clock, tulfos birthday key. Tingnan mo may nabukas. Na dito source of income coba, trade na labor tikin sa Ano mameu tu boleh terus malu ni kon nangai aki saran ni pasti cuma sana kila ba malu tak jadi. Mana tos cuma sanggi yang pakai rosa uci. Atau mungkin tanah biu kini mati itu tanah Sufi. Ada kini sona yaya kami pa total beli na tahu. Yuna kena makai taki in politik wabuk nga pirang naliliwan mo. Sona outlet ni na handicraft. Soran duwa tangamay rare rawatamay. Sambil cukup malu na social media. Na kena market tos. Labet ko bilay. Biya umantang bubi bug mena pantrati ko na manpower. Misin bubi bug value. Bet ni karanggo ni manpower sambo batal tengah. Ini ada masuk ni misin. Sotal nakair ni pakador tal. Karena wasalang abi silia. Kami bikin tanah tambungan ni bici. Na misin sini tignon tombola. Ya kan di bosota. Sonon na may ni natutubikan na lila ya. Sandali bak samtak satu kan kono libul ras yang bata na Vietnam bag minggo. Nalirawat kinto na ka kondoli baka punan na tao. Taman sini minta tosasar kina. Ito na kami na nanu di bak na business. Sonon nandal ni tao may tubikan dali bosota. Kan din na bosota ti kunya tangan dono kono sanaran nili jadi binak. Bal na basa lati kami na bosota.
From here, we take you to the Northern Division. At Nasarwaga in Boa, agriculture production is one of the main sources of income for the people in this community. It is also home to the Valivawere Youth Club.
We received the assistance from the Ministry of Youth, Lambasa. They come and assist us to make the club so that they can help us. So we form a group. They gave us all the seedlings, the wheelbarrow, fence, goat fence, greenhouse, all types of seedlings. They gave about 12-15 packets of all different kinds of vegetables. So we planted it, and all this is now the produce. I thank the Ministry of Youth and Sports for helping us and moving us forward. My advice to other youth club members to work hard and focus on whatever you're doing so that you can get more money and more money, improve your standard of living through the farming.